everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. It'll help me grow my channel, and I am so close to 1,000 subscribers. I can smell it. It's so close. So I would appreciate your support. Thank you so much. So today's Tuesday, which means it is Twinchie Tuesday, which is a hashtag that is hosted by Jen from Sassy Southern NC Girl. So I've done a few of these, and I'm a little obsessed with them because they're so versatile. I can use them on cards and all kinds of different places. Anyway, I'm talking too much. So whenever I get these tissue boxes, I look at them in all kinds of different ways these days because they've become so versatile. Just from the beautiful art that's on it. And this one has these little squares. Now they are too big. They are not Twinchies. They are not 2x2s. They're about 1, 2, 3, maybe an 1/8 of an inch too big. So I'm just going to cut them down to size and then play around and see, what I can do with them. So let me just pull this apart. I do want to keep this because I just see it. I can see that somewhere else. But for today, I just am going to cut down the middle here, and I'll just make one of these. But I do intend to use this entire box with all the little Twinchie square possibilities. But I want to show you what I was thinking. Just get this cut out quickly. And try and do this as quick as I can. I thought it might make a nice card topper. Alright, so I'll put that aside. And let's see. I probably have to take about I took a little bit off that side. Don't think my sides are going to be super straight. But, it'll be close. And I'm skew. So skew. See if I can get that a little. Let's see. How close am I to a 2x2? Oh, look at that. Pretty much on the button. Okay, a little bit too tall. So let's get rid of a little off the bottom. And a fraction off the top. And I think I'll be as close as close enough, let's just say. Okay, so that is pretty much 2 there. Pretty much not 2 there at all. Oh, dear me. Okay, nope, got to cut more off. All right, let's see. That might do it. Almost. I don't think it's a train smash if it's not 100% 2x2, but that is fine. I'm going to just go with that. I am probably fractionally off, but not too much. Okay. So what I was thinking, just to keep things simple today, is to get out my ink. Get these edges a little inked up just to take away some of that sort of cardboardy look to it, Put that down there. I've got my little box of flowers here. And I have got some pink ones, but I think I want to go with red. These purple ones I think are too big, and it'll just take up the whole Twinchie. You'll see some of the Twinchie design through it, but I feel like it takes up so much. If I just put a little red one there, I think that little red one's enough, right? Should I put some of this down? I think it'll cover too much. It'll cover too much. No. Nope. Little red one's just fine. Let's get one that has a neater... yeah, okay, that one. No more faffing, Celeste. That is enough. So I'm going to go ahead and get some of my Eileen's tacky glue into the center there and get my little flower down. And this is the part where I thought I bought these little mirror mosaics. They're like little stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree, and they are mirror mosaic stickers. And I thought, what if I took one of these guys? I've never used these before, and I know I have seen them before in the dollar store, but I've never actually used them. So I wonder, there we go. I get the feeling that some of this, well, it's quite sticky. Some of the glue stayed behind, but I'm gonna do like a diamond. You know what? I'm gonna put a little extra glue down. I just think, no, I had it in my mouth. Yeah, now I can taste glue. Yeah, not good. I just feel like I might need a little more glue. So let's see if I do like a, since these are kind of diamond shapes, I thought maybe I would follow that. Let me get my tweezer, because it's all sticking to my fingers. That's not working so well. So I can push it up a little bit. Push this guy back down and squish him. No, you turn around. You need to be a diamond shape. Don't you go square on me. I need you diamond. Okay. Or okay. In the center, Mr. Fenter. All right. I think I'm gonna have to surrender. But yeah, that pretty much is. I've now got too much glue. But I think once it dries, it will dry clear. Let me see if I can get some of that glue off, but not onto the mirror, because that'll dull the little mirror. Hold on. Already have glue on there, but I'm going to scrape it off. Okay, I think I'm good. And I have ink everywhere. Look at that. Goodness gracious, Celeste. Okay, that's it. It's fine. It's fine. I'm going to be okay with it. I'm now going to go with a grunge look. But so far, I think it is a success. So my ink is not dry. It's kind of making a bit of a mess. But I'm just gonna run with it. Okay, let's move this up. No, I'll keep, yeah, no, yeah, I'll keep it. Undecided, Celeste, good gracious. And I thought maybe I'll put it on this little card. Let me tell you where I got this as well. So also at the Dollar Tree, you can buy, so this was a food, get that noisy plastic out the way. This is a food-related theme pack. You get 30 little mini posters, and they are, I think, 4x6. Yes, they are 4x6, and they are glossy on the one side, and then a smooth sort of board on the other side. And you just get all these different colors, all these different designs, sorry. So these are food related. And I thought this one wasn't food related. And so I just thought, let me take this one. And the card turns out to be a 3x4 little card. I'm going to put this Twinchie on the card. And I thought it would look... I liked it when I first looked at it, and now I'm not so... No, stop second guessing yourself. I'm gonna just get this down. Get the glue out first. Come on, glue. Oh, I lost my flower. It's okay. It's all right. I'll put it back. All right, so there goes that. Get my flower back in position. I'm having all kinds of difficulties. Oh, maybe should I? Yes, I should. I should get that kind of like that, and then move this guy across a little bit to the middle. All right, so I think that does work. And now it's time to get a sentiment. Put a sentiment here or there or both. So I'll be back with the sentiment. Well, my little card is finished. I got some of my Tim Holtz sentiments out. and thought, I'll just do something light. Remember to laugh was what I was thinking. I hope you have a chance today to just belly laugh about something. I had a good laugh about a little Yorkie called Tino on Instagram. Just got me giggling this morning. And maybe because we have a Yorkie, and that's maybe why I thought it was so funny. But yeah, this little card I think is gorgeous. I think it's a great little size to add to my Happy Mail. So yeah, and you can look at yourself at the same time. All right, you guys, thank you so much for sticking around and going through this little Twinchie journey with me and helping me to Twinchify my little card. Now, we'll see you next time. Bye.